On behalf of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, I wish to convey our congratulations on the 25th anniversary of the International Bamboo and Rattan Organization, and on this second Global Bamboo and Rattan Congress. FAO has been a close partner of your organization since it was established, and our collaboration has grown consistently over the years. We have worked hand in hand on national, regional, and global assessment of bamboo and rattan resources. Together, we are working on joint programs to address the food security, livelihood improvement, climate resilience, sustainable bioenergy, and ecosystem restoration. FAO is committed to continue supporting and promoting the sustainable management and use of bamboo and rattan. I wish you a successful Congress.